This is Keith Hermance with your Farmers Cooperative Market Update. Corn for the week was down 1 1/4, beans were up 3 1/2, and wheat was down 12 3/4. On a mostly uneventful week here, as we had a USDA report came out. Didn't show us a lot of movement either way, although crop conditions do look very good as we go a little bit further here into the summer months. Definitely something to look forward to as we look to some droughts that could be approaching our areas here, how that could affect our potential production in the local areas here. Make sure that we're looking forward to that. If that limits any production opportunities, we could see obviously a bump in our prices here as we go forward. Another thing to kind of look forward to as regards to the USDA report is our exports here that we have going out. What we've continued to see is for the 2020-21 fiscal year, we've seen a lot of sales here to unknown destinations of soybeans here, most likely from the phase 1 deal that we have with China there. So obviously look for that here going forward to start to kick in a little bit more as we see a bump in the prices with soybeans. Overall for the week, export numbers look really good as we move forward here. At the top end of most of the ranges here, as we start to see our country start to open up a little bit more, we're starting to see a little bit more movement as far as commodities go throughout the world here. Our ethanol report, also an encouraging sign that we kind of look forward to as we start to see a little bit more green on the board here going forward. We're using up a little bit more consumption as people start to drive a little bit more. As we start to go forward here, hopefully we can start to see corn stocks be eaten into a little bit more as we get them into ethanol plants and find different distributors for them. Again, this is Keith Hermance with your Farmers Cooperative Market Update. If you have any questions, feel free to give any one of the grain originators here in the Dorchester office a call at 402-946-2211.